Hello YouTube, this is another sticker unboxing. The first is from Tipman. The next is from Eagle. They sent 4 of these. The next is from UJM Suspension. They sent 2 of these long ones, or 4 of these long ones, and a couple of these. The next is from North Face. They sent 2 of these. Yokohama sent 3. 2 white ones and a black one. Next is from Laser Lights. They sent 3 of these. The next is from BBK. They sent 4. The next is from Penske Racing Shocks. They sent this white die cut, 2 of these big ones, two of these small ones, another white die cut, and a black die cut. The next is from Astric. They sent 4 of these. The next is from Pioneer. They sent a white one, a black one, and a red one. The next is from Incipio. They sent 2 of these. Four of these. And there's some more of them. The next is from Manley. They sent 2 of these big ones and 2 smaller ones. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.